Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and disable Wi-Fi on your Android device. So without further ado, this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the settings gear icon down the bottom left, and depending on your phone and your version, it might look a little different. But you want to get underneath settings here, and then underneath the wireless and networks area, you want to left click on the Wi-Fi selection. Now, it doesn't really matter what name of the Wi-Fi you're currently connected to down here. All that matters is what it says right above it, and it might be toggled to the on position. You want to left click inside this oval here to toggle it to the off position. And you can see down here it says to see available networks, turn Wi-Fi on. This will indicate that your Wi-Fi is currently turned off. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you guys out, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.